Anytime now. Gates open, they're up and racing. 3A Celestial shows alertness at the start, moving up by the rail. Golden Money, the stablemate. Then Naughty outside, moving up Banknet. Running by the rail, Boss Doding, nose west on the outside. In between runners, Nice and DC. Wonder Joyce moving up on the outside. Then followed by Matikas, running by the rail. Is entry number 4, Dugus Charm. Rounding at the last 600. Golden Money now takes the lead. Running now in second, Wonder Joyce. Then followed by Celestial. Moving up on the outside, Matikas in between runners, Nice and DC. Nose west, Dugus Charm, Boss Doding, Banknet. His speed to riches is on the outside as they turn for home. Golden Money this time leading the field by about a length and a half. Moving up on the outside is Wonder Joyce, then by the elbows Doding, Dugus Charm, Nice and DC moving up and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Body outside, Nice and Easy, and finally it's going to be Dugus Charm, Nice and Easy, Wonder Joyce, then comes 10A, Matikas, and Boss Doding for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 4-2.